The unique flavor of matcha in the cookies is surprisingly delightful. These cookies are soft and delicious with matcha flavor. The best cookies to enjoy with tea. The matcha and pineapple combination makes these cookies very special. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika Recipes. Today's special matcha pineapple cookies. Take 100 grams of unsalted butter in a bowl and whisk till butter turns to creamy texture. Remember, butter should be in room temperature. When butter becomes creamy, add 60 grams of powdered sugar and 1 gram of salt and continue to whisk till sugar melts. When sugar mixed well with the butter, add 1 egg yolk and 2 ml of vanilla extract and continue mixing. When egg yolk and vanilla combines well with the butter mixture, sift in 100 grams of all-purpose flour and 60 grams of almond flour. You can use grinded almond powder as well. Now mix dry and wet ingredients in cut and fold method. When flour mixed well with the butter, add 10 grams of matcha powder and mix. When matcha powder mixed well with the dough, take 40 grams of candied pineapple and cut them into small cubes. After cutting, add the pineapple cubes to the matcha dough. When pineapple cubes distributed evenly in the dough, take butter paper. Drop the dough on it. Now adjust the edges and roll the butter paper and make the dough into round cylindrical shape. You can customize the shape as you like. Now cover the dough completely and freeze it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take out the dough, cut into 1 cm width pieces. Chilling the dough intensifies the flavor of the dough and retains its shape in the oven, so the butter in the dough doesn't melt fast. Now place the cookie pieces on a baking tray aligned with parchment. Now bake in preheated oven at 170 degrees for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our matcha green tea cookies are ready. Look how soft these cookies are. These cookies will melt like a butter in the mouth. The pineapple pieces make these cookies even delicious.